On today's video, I take my beautiful 2002 Lexus Sc430 and I get my headlights restored. It went from looking like this to this for 60 bucks. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis and I buy and sell cars as a hobby and I bring you guys along with me showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I do travel videos throughout New England and I talk about my life experiences. So I bought the Lexus 2 weeks ago. This car is gorgeous. It's beautiful, except for the headlights. I had a few things I had to do to the car. I went to the shop last week. I put up on the lift. We changed the oil. I had to go to Lexus on a warranty job that they're gonna do tomorrow. Hopefully they're gonna fix my issue. So what happened was my oil pan gasket was leaking. The previous owner had that fixed. He did not have the paperwork to give to me at that moment. When I went to Lexus, they said it was not in their system. So on Friday, we went back, he and I, to Lexus to confront them. And because he did have the paperwork, I am going tomorrow. We'll put up on the lift. And if it's leaking, I'll get it done for free. If not, I have to pay for a diagnostic test. So that will be an upcoming video. So being such a beautiful car, the headlights, you know, they're grungy, they're just an eyesore. I want to take the next step and get those restored. So I went to my friend Mike at Auto Envy Detailing in Hudson, New Hampshire before we get there and have him do all that. He also did a polish afterwards. Since I was there, might as well have it done. It looks gorgeous. But before we go to that video, upcoming videos, guys. I'm doing that Lexus one tomorrow. After that, I bought a 2007 Mini Cooper S convertible sidewalk edition. That is a supercharged engine. Most people don't know that from 2005 to 2008, the convertibles are still a R52, which means it's a supercharger. So we'll talk all about that in an upcoming video. And finally, after about 3.5 weeks of trying to get a title and the owner to meet up with me, I got a badass car. Just a little sample. Can you see what it is? All right. This is a little tease that will be coming up in the future videos. Also, my BMW M6, I have to finish that video up, talking about the pros and cons and get that out of the way. The only reason why I haven't done it yet, it's been raining, it's been hot, and I've been looking for all these cars, and you know, it is what it is. So let's check out Mike and see how he does with the headlight restoration and the polish of the car. You're gonna like it. So if you guys live in my area, Southern New Hampshire, Massachusetts, if you want your car detailed, check them out. All right, guys, until the next video, Baldadonis out.
Hi, folks. Mike from Auto Envy Detailing, Hudson, New Hampshire. We're here at 9 Rebel Road. Today we did Mike's Lexus, beautiful blue coupe. We did the headlight restoration. We did a quick wash, and then we did a quick one-stage polish. After we polished it, we applied a polymer paint sealant to provide shine and protection for months to come.
survive.